Do kidneys really need cleansing? Your kidneys already filter waste all day, but modern habits, processed foods, excess alcohol, smoking meds, stress can overwhelm the system. Crash detoxes won't fix that. What does help? Consistent, everyday foods that lower inflammation, ease the load on your kidneys, and support healthy filtration. Today, you'll learn 5 powerful foods and exactly how to use them safely. Why this works: oxidative. Stress and inflammation drive most kidney problems. Antioxidant, fiber-rich, and smart protein foods help reduce that stress. Support gut health, which affects kidneys, and keep minerals in balance. Think daily habits, not 3-day cleanses. Tofu and tempeh. They help kidney-friendly plant proteins with lower phosphorus, potassium, and sodium than many animal options. Soy protein is complete. All 9 essential amino acids and gentle on the kidneys. Fermented tempeh adds probiotics that support the gut, important because gut imbalance can worsen kidney issues. How-tos: swap in tofu or tempeh 2 to 4 times per week. 4. Red processed meat, bake, stir-fry, or grill with garlic, ginger, and lemon. Go light on salt. Choose firm tofu for stir-fries, silken for smoothie soups with tempeh. Steam 10 minutes first to reduce bitterness. Then marinate and pan-sear. Watch outs is tasty, but often high in sodium. Use sparingly. If you're limiting salt, seaweed. Why? It helps rich in unique antioxidants like fucoidan that support a healthy inflammatory response, provides fibers including alginate that can bind some toxins and support regularity. Good news. 4. Kidneys, naturally low-calorie. Supports weight and blood sugar control. Both matter for kidney health. How to use: sprinkle nori flakes over rice, soups, avocado toast, or salads. Add wakame to miso-style veggie soup. Use low-sodium broth. Try a seaweed snack sheet with cucumber slices and lime. Watch out: seaweed can be higher in potassium and sodium. If you're on restrictions, keep portions small. Buy from reputable brands with quality testing for heavy metals. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, herring. Why it helps: high in EPA, DHA, omega-3 south that support heart, vessel, and kidney health by moderating inflammation. Excellent. Highly bioavailable protein. Make protein count. When kidneys are stressed, how to use: aim for approximately 8 Oz per week to 4 servings. Season with lemon, herbs, pepper, and olive or avocado oil. Limit salty rubs and sauces. Great pairings. Roasted broccoli or kale salad. See below. Watch outs. Mind mercury with large predatory fish. Rotate varieties. If you take omega-3 supplements, do not exceed typical safe totals without medical guidance. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Why it helps: diluted ACV is low in sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and brings gentle acidity, plus can support digestion and a healthy microbial balance. Helpful because constipation and gut issues can increase kidney load. How to use: mix 1 TSP, 1 TBSP, a CV in a large glass of water once daily. Increase slowly if tolerated. Use in simple dressings. 1 TBSP ACV plus 2 TBSP olive oil plus mustard plus pepper. Drink with a straw. Then rinse your mouth to protect the enamel. Watch outstant. Drink a CV straight to acidic. If you have reflux, ulcers, or are on specific meds, clear with your clinician. Kale. Why it helps: cruciferous veggie with vitamins A, C, K fiber, and plant compounds, for example, glucosinolates that support antioxidant defenses. Lower oxalate than spinach. Chard friendlier for people who form calcium oxalate stones. Moderate potassium versus many greens. Still measure if you're on a strict limit. How 2. Use massage kale salad. Torn kale plus olive oil plus lemon plus a pinch of pepper. Add apples and toasted pumpkin seeds, sautéed kale. Garlic plus olive oil. Finish with lemon sheet pan. Roast kale with chickpeas if allowed, and paprika for a crunchy topper. Watch outs if you must limit vitamin K, for example, on warfarin. Keep intake consistent and follow your provider's advice. Simple day plan, mix and match. Breakfast kale, omelet or tofu scramble, plus lemon water. Lunch, tempeh grain bowl with massaged kale and cucumber. A seaweed dressing. Snack. Seaweed snack with sliced avocado and lime, small portion. Dinner, baked salmon with roasted broccoli or kale and herbed quinoa. Hydration all day. Water first. Add citrus waters or cucumber mint water. Keep sugars low. Smart safety tips, choose whole foods, minimal additives. Keep sodium in check. Read labels if you have CKD, transplant, dialysis, diabetes, or mineral fluid limits. Personalize portions with your renal dietitian. Skip crash cleanses. Kidney support is a daily habit, not a weekend challenge. Conclusion: the cleanest kidney cleanse is consistent eating. Plant-forward proteins like tofu, tempeh. Ocean minerals from seaweed in small, smart portions. 3. Rich fish. Gentle ACV and powerhouse greens like kale. Keep it simple, keep it steady, and tailor it to your health plan. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kidney smart guides.